You are going to need to make sure as you're doing this that your pages have a nice rip to them, okay? So this one has a much better tail. Okay, this one is usable. I'm gonna look at both sides. Okay, my theme is the color red, so this is not the side that I want. This is obviously the red side here. I'm going to flip it so that my red side is against the table, and I'm going to take my ruler, okay? I'm gonna lay it across so that my rip is here by me, okay? And I am going to take, and I'm gonna fold it over top of my ruler. And I want this first fold to be like halfway up my ruler. Okay, then I'm going to flip my ruler and fold it again. Now, what we need to make sure we are doing is keeping this really tight on the ruler. So to do that, I kind of push back and make sure that it's nice and snug on that ruler. I'm gonna roll it again, push back, roll, push back, roll, push back. Now, I have it all wrapped on my ruler, right? I'm going to flip it back. I need to end with a folded edge. So I'm gonna take it back, I'm gonna fold it, and I would love for this fold to be right in the middle when I am done. So can you see how I folded it and now that ends up in the middle, that fold? Okay, that is where that should be. I'm going to take a piece of tape, and if you want, you can have some kind of lined up along the edge of your table. I'm going to take a piece of tape, and I am going to lay it horizontally with my strip there. So I have that piece of tape right there. Okay, everybody see that? I'm going to slide it off of the ruler, flip it over so my crease side is against the table, and I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to flatten and flatten. Okay, so I have one magazine strip. Okay, I know that took me a while to get through. Once you get going, it won't take you so long. So again, I'm going to take my paper. I'm going to look to make sure of what side I want to use. Okay, this is the side that I'm going to use. Does it need to be up or down?
Down.
Down. Okay, down against the table. My ruler along the ripped edge, I'm going to fold it over, okay, and I'm going to keep folding and keeping it nice and tight. As I do this, I want to make sure that I'm not kind of crooked. If I start to go crooked on mine, can you see how the edge here, okay, gets to be that way? So I don't want it to go crooked. I need to be nice and straight when I do it, and keeping it nice and tight against my ruler as I go. Okay, flip it back, fold it so that that fold ends up in the middle of my strip. Oops. Nice and tight. Piece of tape. Just a little piece in the middle is all I need. Take it off and flatten, okay? And then I'm just gonna keep a pile going of mine.